We have our drivers out there. Our grid is set. Good luck, drivers. It's an Invitational. Race number 4, round number 5. Good luck, drivers. Drivers ready. Quarter marshals ready. We're going racing on the tone. Oh man, pile up into the sweeper. Body's hung up left side, left side, left side. Oh man, Carter's going into the carousel. It's Mark Reinhardt with a big lead for lap number 1, but looking from the back of the pack, Mr. Newman. Josh Newman, a local favorite. Four minutes, 30 seconds, 4:30. 30 seconds in, it is Mark Reinhardt driving a 1 car. Second spot is Newman, followed by Hodep. Then it's going to be Blackstock, Francis, Thomas Pumpler, and Jared Scott. Four minutes, 13 seconds to go. 4:13 left on the clock. Mark Reinhardt. Perfect day yesterday. Driving a 1 car. Second spot, Josh Newman. Newman driving that blue and yellow number 11. Then it's Hodep under attack from Blackstock, Francis, Thomas, and J-Rod. Single file around the carousel they go. Hodep got a freight train behind him. It is Mark Reinhardt trying to pull away. Trying to set fast time so far. Fast lap from Reinhardt, that previous lap, 12.8. First guy in the 12s I've seen for the day. Mark Reinhardt done a short shoot, Newman in second in the 11. And Hodep got a mirror full of Blackstock. Into the king they go, carousel, 1 car in between, Blackstock to the inside. Hodep races him to the S's. He beats him down the straightaway. Dead even ripped down the straightaway. Hodep, Blackstock, here comes Pumpler. Pumpler had a body get tucked in the first turn. Dropped way back. He has worked his way all the way, battling here for this position. 2 minutes down, 3 to go. Down the straightaway. Hodep, Blackstock, then Pumpler. Back out front, Mark Reinhardt. Big lead for him. 3 minutes left on the clock. Closest battle on the track here. Into the S is Greg Hodep. Oh, he rolls at Blackstock and Pumpler go by. Here's Thomas now making a bid for Blackstock's spot. Like Blackstock in the cake, driving an X-ray. Right behind him, the hot body cyclone, Thomas Pumpler. Ball bobbled by Newman. That's going to bring these guys in. That's Mark Reinhardt, almost a half a lap on the field right now. Into the cake. Now J-Rod all over Francis. Francis shakes it in the carousel. Back to the battle here between Blackstock and Pumpler. We got 2:30 down, 2:30 to go. Halfway mark. Pumpler shaking it sideways in that 14 car. Newman still in a 2 spot, Blackstock to 3, Pumpler. But it is Mark Reinhardt now coming through traffic on a blistering pace. Thomas Pumpler trying to come up with something to get by Blackstock. Blackstock holding him off with 2 minutes on the clock. And Newman trying to pull back away after that healthy lead he lost when he rolled it. Mark Reinhardt clean sailing in front of him for a while, but he's going to come up to this hot battle here. We'll see how that plays out. Newman, Blackstock, and Pumpler down the straightaway. 1:40 to go. Josh in that blue, green, and white number 11. Blackstock, big time pressure from Pumpler. Oh, make contact. They're racing. Blackstock and Pumpler. Nose to tail through the S's. A little bit more breathing room for Newman. Pumpler taking a look at the inside on the curving through the sweeper. Sliding into the 180. Blackstock not flinching. Blackstock wide line, Pumpler got a good setup here to the inside. Oh! Good job, good job. Reinhardt going through, good job, thank you. All right, little contact made, good sportsmanship. Pumpler lets him back by. They're going racing, they got 1:04 on the clock. Mark Reinhardt checked out, gone. Big lead for the world champ. 1 minute left to go. We are on a 23:5:04 pace, fastest pace we had in the invite division, as the battle for Blackstock and Pumpler continues. 45 seconds to go. Blackstock a little shake there. Pumpler not close enough to capitalize. Through the S's they go. 35 seconds left on the clock. Newman's got the leader coming up on him. Good job, Josh. Thank you. Didn't see what happened, but Pumpler moves on by. Blackstock takes a look at the inside. 20 seconds on the clock. 2 more laps. Can Blackstock get the spot back? The 14 car in the yellow and white. They're orange and white and black stock. Watch it in the keep, guys. Oh, black stock, a little shake coming on the straightaway. 5 seconds to go. As they race down the straightaway, keep going, keep going, keep going. Francis done, Hodak done, Jared Scott done. Oh, Pumper's on his lid. That is time, drivers. Blackstock done, just waiting for Thomas. An impressive run, 23.504. The win goes to Reinhardt.